Digging in the sand is fun to do.
What is this? It's a treasure map. A dinosaur map. An explorer! An explorer! Can you help us?
An explorer! Can you help us?
Aha! Just as I thought. It's a map to dinosaur bones. Aha! Just as I thought. It's a map to dinosaur bones. Every good explorer needs the right tools. Let's start digging.
I found one. I found a bone.
Me too. No. Here's another one.
Excellent! Now let's see what else we can find.
This one is huge.
Perfect! The body connects to the legs.
It's a long, long tail.
It's starting to look like a real dinosaur.
I think this is the neck. Just one more piece to find. The head. The head. Behold!
A Tyrannosaurus Rex! We did it! We're amazing explorers!
We had so much fun today!
Subscribe for more amazing discoveries. Bye-bye!